We'll guide you through how to make corner blur in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to blur corners or specific areas in Adobe After Effects for cleaner and more professional visuals. It helps them hide distractions, create focus effects, and improve composition balance in videos. This technique is useful for cinematic edits, social media content, and motion graphics because it adds smoother visual depth and polished results. It also allows editors to guide viewer attention more effectively within a scene. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your clip or image into the project panel and add it to the timeline so it becomes your main layer. After that, create a new adjustment layer from the layer menu and place it above the clip in the timeline. Apply the Gaussian blur effect to the adjustment layer from the Effects and Presets panel. Then increase the blurriness value until the blur effect becomes clearly visible. Next, select the rectangle tool while the adjustment layer is selected and draw a mask over the corner area you want to blur. Once the mask is created, press F on the keyboard to open the Mask Feather property. Increase the feather value to soften the edges of the blur and create a smoother transition between the blurred and non-blurred areas. Adjust the mask size and position so the blur fits perfectly in the selected corner. If needed, create additional masks to blur multiple corners or different areas of the composition. You can also animate the mask by enabling mask path keyframes and moving or resizing the mask over time to create dynamic blur movement. Once everything is set, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning and check that the corner blur looks smooth and natural. Make any necessary adjustments to the blur strength, feather amount, or mask placement. Finally, add the composition to the render queue and click Render to export the final video.